Hello everybody, how are you today? This is bahareh.masaeli and I'm here as an English teacher. In this video, we are going to learn how to start learning English. If you have some problems with learning English, you can watch this video until the end. I will tell you some great tips in order to start learning English. So, let's get started the first part of this video. Once again. Tip number 1. Having goals. If you have a goal, you can learn English very easily. But on the other hand, if you don't have a goal, you can't learn English very easily. As I told you, having goals is really important. For example, someone needs to learn business English, or another one needs to learn general English. So, if you want to improve your English, you should have a goal. For example, I'm going to learn English to communicate with other people. So, it is really important to know how to talk in English. But if you want to learn grammar, you can learn grammar, study grammar books. You can take part in grammar classes, but maybe someone needs to learn vocabularies and write them down in order to learn writing. So, you should choose a goal for yourself in order to start learning English. Tip number 2. Read and listen to the short stories based on your level. If you are a beginner, you should read and listen to the beginner levels. And also, if you are intermediate level, you should read and listen based on your level. You can choose a good book for yourself. You can learn many vocabularies and also structures in the book. But you should listen to the vocabularies, to the sentences. If you listen to the book, you can learn how to pronounce correctly. So, you should listen as much as possible and imitate, say the words, repeat the words and sentences as much as possible, but based on your level. Tip number 3. Taking part in the class. If you take part in some English classes based on your needs or maybe based on your goals, you can learn English in a correct way with your English teacher. And also, you can watch YouTube videos. They are really helpful, and you can learn via YouTube English channels. Being in the class with other students can help you to find a good friend for yourself to speak and to practice with that person. Tip number 4. There is no need to be perfect. If you want to be perfect, it never happens. You can gradually learn English. Slowly, very slowly, like a turtle, but at the end, you will achieve your goals. Just you should learn English. Just this. You can learn the vocabulary, you can learn the grammar, But as I told you, first of all, you should choose a goal for yourself. Tip number 5. Start learning with individual words. For example, you can look around and you can say or name all the things that are around you. For example, I can see a bag over there. Okay? And I can say a bag. Okay? A bag. Okay? I say a because it is singular. Okay, dear friends, this is the end of this video. I hope you learned these tips. If you like it, you can share with your friends, and also you can subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to learn English. Goodbye and have a great day. Bye.